Hello my dear students, welcome you all to Mahi tutorials. Today in this video, we are going to see about the neural system and endocrine system of frogs. Frogs में well developed nervous system और endocrine system मौजूद होता है. The endocrine system consists of thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, pituitary gland, pineal gland, pancreatic islets, adrenal gland, and gonads. The nervous system is represented by central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and autonomic nervous system. Central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system consists of cranial and spinal nerves. Frogs के पास दो pairs of cranial nerves होती हैं. And the autonomic nervous system consists of sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Structure of brain बच्चों next video में हम देखेंगे. I hope you have understood the concept. If you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel and join our Telegram channel too. See you all in the next video. Thank you so much for giving your time.